Hello everybody, I'm Agent Weeks from StrainSense, and in this video I'll demonstrate how to use the Power Analyzer with our motor demo kit for an order analysis of a motor run-up. Here we have our Power Analyzer. We also have an input for accelerometers. This is connected to our motor demo kit, and we have a 5G accelerometer mounted on the top of the motor, and we'll demonstrate in the Oxygen software how to do an order analysis running the motor up to maximum speed, and we'll break the data down into both the vibration frequency and also the order. We'll see the dominant order is very much the first order on the left hand side, but then we'll see additional orders at lower magnitudes of vibration. So we'll start to run the motor up. And we reach maximum speed, and then we can shut the motor off. And here we can see the dominant frequency on the left hand side of the charts is the first order, but then we can also break out into higher orders and start to investigate the vibration data in more detail. This is a quick demonstration of how to use the Power Analyzer with accelerometer input for order analysis on a motor. Thank you very much.